Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and verifying it is off. This prevents shocks and protects equipment. Once done, remove the old switch and inspect the 3 terminals. 1 is common and 2 are travelers, plus a ground. Make sure you know which conductor is line versus load. Label them if uncertain. Strip roughly 3/4 inch of insulation and prepare the conductors, solid or braided, and form a clean loop for the terminal screw so you get a reliable mechanical and electrical connection. Now you connect the conductors in sequence. Attach the line or load conductor to the common terminal. This screw is often a different color. Next, place each traveler onto the 2 traveler terminals. Their relative positions don't change circuit behavior, but keep neat routing for troubleshooting. Tighten screws firmly while holding the wire loop clockwise so it won't slip. Then attach the ground to the green screw and bond to the metal box if present. Once everything is snug, fold wires back into the box carefully. After closing the box and reattaching the switch, restore power and test by flipping both 3-way switches in all combinations. The light should toggle from every position. If it fails in any combination, turn power off and recheck the common terminal connection and continuity of traveler wires. Poor contact or swapped common is the usual culprit. Make sure screws are tight and wires are looped correctly. Finally, replace the cover. Label the switch if you changed wiring, and you're done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.